Then bring the piston to TDC. Pass the timing chain through the timing chain cavity and install the cylinder head. Lubricate and insert 6 bolts, 4 bolts of 12 mm and 2 Allen bolts of 10 mm. Tighten them in 2 stages in the sequence shown. Torque 4 bolts at 16 foot-pound torque and 2 Allen bolts at 7.2 foot-pound torque. Then turn the crankshaft counterclockwise and align the eye mark on the magneto with the stationary pointer on the magneto cover. Then insert the decompression cam into the camshaft. Install the camshaft sprocket. Align the eye mark on the camshaft sprocket with the stationary pointer on the camshaft retainer. Now remove the wire from the timing chain. Install the timing chain onto the camshaft sprocket. Then install the camshaft sprocket onto the camshaft. While holding the camshaft, temporarily tighten the camshaft sprocket bolt. Tighten the camshaft sprocket bolt at 14 foot-pound torque. Then tighten the Allen bolts at 5.8 foot-pound torque. Install the spark plug number NGK CPR8EA9 with a specified spark plug gap 0.8 to 0.9 mm. Now, lightly press the timing chain tensioner rod by hand. Turn the tensioner rod fully clockwise with a thin screwdriver. Install the new timing chain tensioner gasket. Install the timing chain tensioner and tighten 2 bolts with sealant Yamaha bond at 8 foot-pound torque. Remember, using the screwdriver, ensure the timing chain tensioner releases. Now install the chain tensioner cover. To adjust the valve clearance, adjust it in the same position and check that both the rocker arms are free. Now smear the feeler gauge special tool YSST number 815 with engine oil. This feeler gauge has two types of strips, one for inlet and another for exhaust. Insert the feeler gauge between the end of the adjusting screw and the valve tip. Now hold the lock nut with the tappet screw holder special tool number YSST706 and turn the adjusting screw with the help of a special tool taper adjusting socket YSST806A. Now turn the adjusting screw clockwise to decrease the valve clearance and anti-clockwise to increase the clearance. Hold the adjusting screw to prevent it from moving and tighten the lock nut to specification. Adjust the clearance for inlet valve and the exhaust valve. Install a new dowel pin and a new O-ring. Now, assemble the cylinder head cover. First, install a new gasket on the cylinder head cover. Then install the plate. Apply Loctite on the screw threads. Insert the screws and tighten them in a crisscross pattern. Then install the cylinder head cover with the new gasket. Install 5 Allen bolts on the cylinder head cover. Tighten them using an Allen key. Then torque them at 7.2 foot-pounds. Install the AIS pipe with its new gasket and tighten its two bolts. Install a new gasket on the camshaft sprocket cover. Install the sprocket cover with 3 bolts along with the washers. Tighten the camshaft sprocket cover, mounting bolts at 7.2 foot-pound torque. Install the timing mark accessing screw with its new O-ring with the special tool center plug spanner number YSST625. Also, install the crankshaft end accessing screw with its new O-ring with the special tool center plug spanner number YSST625. Install the intake manifold and tighten its two bolts. Now install the cable holder, apply Loctite and tighten its two Allen bolts with 4 mm Allen key. Lubricate the new O-ring and install it on the starter motor. Install the starter motor and tighten the two mounting bolts at 7.2 foot-pound torque. Pour engine oil grade SL20W40. Install the dipstick with new O-ring and tighten it. The engine is now assembled and ready to be mounted on the vehicle. Clean the assembled engine properly with a clean cloth.